Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to make ringtone for iPhone. You can very easily create any kind of songs and set your ringtone as an iPhone. So how to do it? It's very simple tips and tricks. Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here your music application. Currently I am accessing this application in my MacBook. So here inside the music application, just only one song is available. I want to make a ringtone and set my iPhone. Calling ringtone. So here one song is there, Khiladi title song. Khiladi title song. You just simply click here, right click, get info. As a get info point of view, number of attributes are available here. Detail, artworks, lyrics and option. You just simply click here the option, and after clicking the option here, starting point and ending point means start and stop. So I just simply go with here as a starting point of view 15 second, 0 to 15 second. My ringtone start creating after 15 second, and I end this ringtone like a 0, and here 60 second, and just OK. After clicking the OK, click here the file option, convert ACC version. Clicking the ACC version is created here. The current ringtone is 46 second, like a 15 to 46 second. You can play here. So my ringtones are look like this. As a copyright point of view, I am not play entire song, but ringtone is completely is done what I exactly want. So here, and then after you just simply select this one, drag and drop your desktop folder. So here desktop, you can change the name. As a understanding point of view, I change the name. So here in this ringtone, like khiladi.mpa, so you just replace A as a R, enter, and keep mp4a, no, use mp4r. Click here. Now you just simply delete this one. So automatically the ringtone is here, but this is not visible. So I go with my iPhone, and you can simply drag and drop again here, but the ringtone are not visible here because of the extension. So I already connected here my iPhone device, like iPhone 13 Pro Max. So simply I again drag and drop here. So now my current ringtone is automatically saved in my iPhone. So we can see as iPhone device really the ringtone is comes or not. So now let's start. I simply open here setting option. Inside the setting option, sound and options are available. As a sound point of view, current is this. Now I select this one and look at this here. The Khiladi title song is available. I just simply open here. So it's very simple process to convert a ringtone of any song and set as a ringtone as your iPhone device. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.